So hello, karon mag-solve na pud ta og electric field intensity and flux. So man to problem, a small flat square metal with an area of 0.01 meter squared is placed in a uniform electric field of intensity 500 volts per meter. The electric field is perpendicular to the surface of the plate. Calculate the electric flux through the plate. So, since mo na to problema to size, so what ang given? So ang given na niya electric field is electric field density, which is 500 meter volts per meter. Your area of the plate, which is 0.01 meter squared, and also since the electric field is perpendicular man to the surface, we have angle of 0. So angle 0, so cosine 0 siya. Cosine 0 ang iya, which is equals to 1. So yun siya ang given. So since na naman tayo given, itong isulat atong dali atong dayon magamit ang formula theta of electric flux is equals to E times area, electric field intensity times area times cosine angle. So what theta of electric flux is equals to electric field given naman times area given na sa times cosine angle also given na. Since given naman ang mga kinahanglan para makuha ang electric field, makuha andan nato answer by substitution. So natay 500 volts per minute times 0.01 meter squared times 1. So siya to 5 volts per minute. So wala siya itong final answer. Ang electric flux sa small flat square meter is 5 volts per minute. So that's all. Thank you.